Hi guys, my name is Emily.
And I'm Emily's brother Alex.
And welcome to our channel. A year ago, Alex and I bought this really rundown rooming house downtown Toronto with the intention of completely renovating it and turning it into a beautiful high-end duplex.
In this video, we're going to take you through the entire renovation, all in under 15 minutes. Did we pull it off?
You're going to find out in this video. Hope you enjoy. There's our door. We're going in, guys. Again, warning, it's pretty bad, so let's see what we bought. It really stinks, but come on in. Whew. Okay. Oh, I just looked in the toilet. Oh my god. Whew. You know, this could be a fun, like, playroom for kids or bedroom.
What's on the wall over there?
A goat. Yeah, see, it's already decorated for a nursery. It's like ready to go. Farm animals. This house comes with a pretty good double-sized garage, so we're pretty excited about that. Come back in. Come on in. So as you can see, the house has been fully gutted inside. Just to let you know what our plan is for this project is to create 2 legal units out of this house. Each unit having 2 bed and 2 bath. So the first unit will be the basement and this ground floor, and the second will be the second floor and the loft. So this is really cool. This is what we're up to inside right now. We talked about raising the ceiling height in the basement, which means we just took this ground floor and we're raising it up a foot. So the floor that's here, including all the joists, are all coming out, and we're doing it sort of in sections at a time. So right now you can see we've put in our new floor joists, and this is the new floor height. Okay, I'm just going into the basement just to show everyone what's happening down here. It's kind of, everything's being dug up. Here, come down. And trenched. So really, what's happening exactly?
All the pipes have been removed.
All the pipes have been removed that were originally there, and just going to get replaced.
To be reinstalled, yep.
And that's it. So there's loads of concrete.
That's probably some rotten poop.
That's rotten poop?
Very likely.
Really?
Mixed with other various organic materials.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm on the second floor of the house, and all the LVLs are ready to go, ready to be installed. These things are so massive. I'm just gonna get a good shot of how long they are. And they're so heavy, so these guys got them in really fast. So they are going to be sistering all the existing joists on the 3rd floor, and that's what's going on today, as per our structural notes from the engineer.
What's your way?
Yeah.
So you want me to hit my end first and then you jack yours or what?
Well, you can rest it on there. I can't have anything to rest it on, so don't wiggle it. And let me put a screw in.
If it don't fit, wiggle it a bit.
That's talent.
There's no talent here.
Here they come. I've been waiting for this window to go in for a while. I picked it up myself.
Yeah, comedic value! Fuck!
Yeah.
That was actually disappointing.
I wanted you to lay on your ass.
So did I, but I didn't have the guts.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's just the other angle of our backyard. So these are all the additions that wrap around to the back, and they will all be coming off. So all that's going to be left is just of the house, is just all the brick portion. And then we're going to build a big wraparound ground level deck. So it'll be a beautiful oasis back here. There'll be lots of space. Are you guys up here?
Yep.
Nope.
Okay, I'm just coming up to the loft, see what kind of action there is. We got Tristan and Ryan drywalling. See our beautiful new skylight. So bright in here. There's Tristan, the newest
Hello.
member of our group. And he's new at drywalling, but I think he's doing a pretty fantastic job. You cut your first hole for an outlet. It's not your first, is it?
I cut windows, but...
Can I judge it? That's a perfect hole.
Perfect. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah. All right, Ryan, where's your hole? I think I'm gonna stop talking. That is true. I need to just stop. Hey guys, I'm standing in front of unit number 1. We are finished the renovation and I can't wait to show you what it looks like inside. Shall we have a seat? Crap. Shall we have a peep? Shall we go in and have a look-see?
You guys ready to see unit number 2? Let's go.
You're the last. So a year ago, Alex and I bought an old rundown rooming house downtown Toronto with the hopes of completely, let's go again. So a year ago, Alex and I bought a rundown, so 1 year ago, with the intention of redoing it, of completely renovating it. I don't know why I have a problem with it.
About a year ago, me and Emily bought this old rundown rooming house with the intention of renovating it to a beautiful duplex.
Like tries to take over. Realize this is our He's like, I'm just gonna
spit this spot out. Take care of business.